your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry Barondas here, Fort Worth, Texas. Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pens. Well, a few days ago on my live stream, I had a giveaway. So right now I want to take the opportunity to congratulate the winners of the giveaway, call their names, and so that way I can get their package out to them. So the first one is going to be Charles Ramirez in San Antonio, Texas. Congratulations, Charles. Got it already packaged for you. Next.
Next is Jackie O'Sullivan from Highland Park, Illinois.
Alright, then number 3, I went ahead and did 4. Okay, so number 3 is going to be Jesse Holloway from Wiley, Texas. Congratulations, Jesse, and got yours ready to go too. And last but not least
is Angela Greenhill from Forest Park, Illinois.
Well, congratulations to each and every one of you. And tomorrow, Monday morning, I'll get those out to you guys. Peace, lots of love, God bless, wash those hands, wear your mask, follow the rules, and please don't text and drive. Bye-bye. See ya.